Hi everyone. In this sweet video, I'm going to convert 39 inches to centimeters. The steps, the way I solve this problem is gonna be extremely easy, so you need to watch this video until the end of the video. Okay, now the things that we need to convert that question before, we need the formula. Okay, we need the formula in order to solve the problem, and this is a formula that we are going to use to convert inch to centimeters, which is 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeter. Awesome. This guys is awesome. Alright, now here's the question. Now this little guy has a problem. 39 inch equals how many centimeters? You got to help him with it. Now this is a solution part. Now write the question and then write the, what do you call it? You can call it conversion factor or a formula. Instead of that, just write again formula from there to here. Okay? And after that, you want to put 39 somewhere. In that place, you need to, and the place that you need to put 39 is in the right side of the equal sign and the left side of the equal sign. So we need to multiply 2.54 centimeters with 39 and 1 inch with 39 as well. Okay, now here comes the 39 times 1 equals 39 inch. Of course, we need to make it equals the question first. And after that, here is the answer. This is a solution. 2.54 centimeters times 39 equals what? It equals 99.06 centimeters, and that's the answer. I hope it will be useful. You can use it to solve your problem in conversion inches to centimeter, or if you have any homework to do, you can use these steps. You can change all these 39 number from any number. Actually, if you have 4 inch, then switch all this red color to 4. Okay, so 4 inch, 4 inch, 4 inch, 4 inch, and you got a new number here. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in another video. Bye bye. Hi, thank you so much for being part of this video. If you find this video is really helpful, you got to support us by clicking on this like button and share it to your friend. And of course, you need to subscribe in this channel by clicking the subscribe button, and don't forget to click on this ring button to get notified for every video we upload on YouTube. And if you have any question or you want to just say thanks to us, just click on this comment section and you can say whatever you want and click in comment. I think that's all of it. Thank you for watching and see you again in the next tutorial. Bye bye.